Alright, well, my big block is at the machinist for the truck, and my heads are out at a different machine shop just getting cleaned up for the Cutlass. I will be trying to determine why this magnificent beast won't start. I think I have it figured out, but bottom line is I gotta take the carb off. Either the accelerator pump is not functioning properly or something is like slammed closed. It's just not working right. So we are going to rip the thing off and see if I can actually get this thing to move, because if this thing actually like drives around under its own power, I'm gonna get a bunch of gas and I'm just gonna drive around the property just randomly, because this is awesome. Look at it. All right, let's get this carb off and start tearing it apart so I can see if I can put it back together correctly. Okay, well, it's loose, but now I gotta actually detach the stuff to get the thing out. Cotter pin there. See if I can punch my knuckle off again. Definitely not the most convenient vehicle to work on. Whoa. We have our victory at the cost of an old dirty choke cable. Oh my gosh. What an absolute pain. Let's see here. Yeah, that's completely gross. This guy off. I love this filter. God, I hope it still works. Fancy. Alright. Who's this little bastard that I couldn't get? Is that staked? Is that why? It certainly appears that way. Alright. There's a little bit of clean. A little bit of cleanliness. Ooh, the carb tag. Eight, 7, 1. 871SC. This thing is super weird. Okay. Of course, that thing was barely even holding. Okay. This thing is all sorts of weird. Only kinda stabbed my hand. Not bad enough. Okay. Oh my goodness. Oh. This is the one right here that I was worried about. Alright, well, I gotta go to work. I'm gonna spray that down with some degreaser, and then we will get back at this tomorrow. So, see you guys in a couple seconds. I'm back. Let's clean stuff. This is so cool. I love this thing so much. I need to clean that too. That junk in there though. Like scrub that ish out. Come home last night. Where's there? That, look at that. One barrel Carter. Carburetor in St. Louis. Pretty cool. Come home last night. I think this is so cool. Actually tearing into a carburetor built way back in the day. I bet the coat on this thing is either very early 60s or even late 50s. So after some research, I figured out that the carb code is 871S, right there. 871SC. So this is a weird carb because it is an updraft. So that you can hear the float popping around in there. Bing, ba-da-ding, bing, ba-da-ding. All right, well, now that I actually know what I'm dealing with, and I know that this carb is not in very bad shape, and it's actually, I don't know, it seems like it'll clean up pretty okay because everything's all old and cast iron and tough. I'm going to order some parts and do a little more tear down later when I actually figure out how. Because as you can see, I think this is supposed to be the accelerator pump, and I mean, it's not moving, but you can hear. Yeah. Bottom line, I can't get the air horn off because this thing right here is preventing me from doing so. I think the whole thing comes out and this should just lift out. Anyways, ouch. Boom. That's a dope start. That's an awesome start. I'm happy with this. I think this is going to clean up really nice, and I think I will actually be able to use this really cool piece. I don't think I'll have to make one of the other standard style, you know, downdraft carbs systems work on there, because as you can see, there's no room for that. But I'm gonna see if I can find a carb kit for this guy, and you guys will see if I found one, and you guys are gonna watch me. You guys will see if I actually find one, and you guys will also see me try my damnedest to fix this. And I think it'll be easy. These carbs are simple, so as usual, like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and catch you guys in the next video. Peace.